Thermal expansion of liquid. As we know, liquid expand more than solid. More than solid. Liquid do not have own shape. Do not have own shape, but they take shape of that in which they are kept. They are kept. Therefore, in liquid, therefore, liquid liquids do not have linear or superficial expansion. Superficial expansion. Okay. They have only volumetrical expansion. Volume expansion. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
A liquid is always taken vessel and when it is heated, the vessel also expand. The vessel also expand along with liquid. Along with liquid due to expansion of vessel. Due to expansion of vessel, the observed expansion of liquid is somewhat less than its real expansion. Its real expansion. So liquids have apparent and real expansion. Okay. Now take an experiment. Draw a figure. Suppose this is a flask. Okay. And now in this flask a small tube is fitted. Suppose in this flask the liquid is filled up. This is filled with liquid. Okay. Now what happened? This tube is also filled with liquid. Now this is point A. Here this is a point B and this is a point C. Okay. This is the point C, this is the point A and this is the point B. Now write down. Draw figure immediately.
सर ये डायग्राम समझ नहीं आ रहा।
दिख रहा है क्लियर?
हाँ क्लियर दिख रहा है बट क्या है समझ में।
देखिए एक फ्लास्क है, ठीक, एक फ्लास्क है। इस फ्लास्क में एक कॉर्क से इसको एक पतली सी ट्यूब इसमें लगाई गई है, ठीक। उस फ्लास्क में वाटर फिलअप है पूरा, ठीक है, और ए लेवल तक वाटर फिलअप है। हम करेंगे क्या, इस फ्लास्क को जब हीट करेंगे तो वाटर का लेवल बढ़ेगा, ठीक है। इसमें कितना एक्सपेंशन होगा यही अभी आपको दिखाया जाएगा। फिगर बनाइए, बना लेंगे ना?
डन सर हो गया।
चलिए तो लिखिए लेट या टेक a glass flask which has a narrow neck, which has a narrow neck. Okay, the flask is filled with liquid. The flask is filled with liquid up to mark A. Okay, when it is heated, then firstly the level of liquid, the level of liquid falls from A to B, and after that it rises up to C. पॉइंट हो गया.
Yes, sir.
In this we observe the initial and final observation. Initial and final observation. The liquid expand. The liquid appears to expand. From A to C. Okay, this is called apparent expansion. Apparent expansion. Okay, then what is apparent expansion? When liquid is heated. Okay, when liquid is heated, then firstly the liquid level being dropped, after that being grow up. So initial and final condition, initial and final observation appears, that is called apparent expansion. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now what is real expansion? But actually होता क्या है, the liquid level expand from B to C, which is called real expansion, okay, which is called real expansion. Now next heading, coefficient of real expansion. Coefficient of real expansion. Okay, the real increase, the real increase in volume, the real increase in volume of liquid per unit original volume, per unit original volume the real increase in volume of liquid per unit original volume, original volume per degree temperature, per degree temperature is called coefficient of real expansion. Coefficient of real expansion. It is denoted by y जो कि गामा से वॉल्यूम एक्सपेंशन को इंडिकेट किया जाता है। अब वॉल्यूम एक्सपेंशन रियल में है तो इसको गामा आर से इंडिकेट करते हैं। ओके, फार्मूला हो गया गामा आर इज इक्वल टू रियल एक्सपेंशन इन वॉल्यूम अपॉन original volume into temperature difference. Temperature difference. So we can write gamma R is equal to real expansion delta V, रियल है तो R से इंडिकेट कर दे रहे हैं वी आर, अपॉन ओरिजिनल वॉल्यूम है, V से इंडिकेट किया जाता है, इसको VR कर दे रहे हैं। टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस को डेल्टा T से इंडिकेट करते हैं, तो इसको क्या कर देंगे, डेल्टा T। ठीक, आप चाहें तो यहाँ केवल V भी रखा जा सकता है। ठीक है, सो फार्मूला विल बी व्हाट,